Hey, this is Dimitri Spices. A look at the Funko Pop of what's that name?
Lewis
Lewis
Stewart.
Stewart. This is from what's that? From what's that?
Training places.
From Training Places.
Ooh. Okay.
So this pop is Soldier Heel, and this is Pop Soldier's Funko Pop. And this is a 5. Let's see who got 5. And this shoes is all the shoes in her shoes. This got pants in her color. Got pink colors and there's black in the jacket and there's got jacket. So this got jackets on. They call it a shirt. It's a shirt. And there's green shirt. And it's got all this eyes. Got eyes in her and black eyes in her. They got black eyes. They got hurt. And there's so Lacey's got hair is a hair. So we got hairs in her, all that also. Look at all this. So hairs and all this. This is a hair and so oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. I got that, and look at this. Got all this hair is. Look at the hair is. Oh my goodness. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.
Cut!